So, once again, pulled in the DVSA checkpoint at Stirling. I've driven past it because I was trying to get back onto the M9, and they had a guy at the front and they've just waved me in, along with this tractor in front, which I think they're going to be a bit more interested in. So we'll see what happens with this. Yeah. So yeah, another DVSA pulling. Lovely stuff. It's quite frustrating. The guy behind me has been pulled in as well, I think. That's going to be interesting because they're going to find an infringement on my card as well for going over my time, which I was about to tell you about later on in this video. So, right, we'll get on in here. Jolly good stuff. Right, let's see what the crack is here, eh? Oh.
Hi there, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad, you?
Yeah, fine, thank you. It's not
Good.
raining, so that's good.
Yeah, it's a good thing, yeah.
So you've just been brought in for a routine spot check of your tachograph, and then the vehicle examiner might have a look at the vehicle as
Yep,
well.
okay.
So I'll ask you questions, download the tacho, and then, all being well, you'll be out of here as soon as possible.
Lovely stuff. I will have an infringement because I got stuck in the snow last week.
Oh no!
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, around Birmingham.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yeah, I think it's about 10 minutes over a 4.5, I think.
Fair enough.
Nothing
It
major.
doesn't help, can it? If it's
Nah.
that kind of situation.
Nah, that's it.
Right, so while I set this up, could you look out your driving license and CPC for me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Do you want me to take a card out now, or?
No, you can do that in. I'll download it within.
Yeah. Cool.
Thank you.
There you go.
That's
No worries.
perfect. I will bring them back to you at the end of the check.
No worries.
Now, the next thing I need you to do, please, is put the ignition on and
Yep.
put my card in slot 2 of the tachograph.
Yep, sure.
Thank you.
No worries.
Perfect. That'll just take a second to load.
Yep, sure.
Are you loaded just now?
I'm empty.
Empty.
Yeah. Just done a delivery in calendar, is it?
Yes.
Calendar? Yeah, whatever, however it's pronounced.
It's calendar, yeah. You're
Yeah,
right. And
that's
where
right.
are you heading to now?
I'm heading all the way back down to Manchester.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, have you ever put a download device in the tachograph?
I haven't, but I've got an idea.
Good.
Flip that out and pop that in, yeah?
Yes, excellent.
Good stuff, no trouble.
Nice and simple.
Yeah.
Cool, that should just take a few minutes to download. So
That's fine.
Do you have any printouts from the last month?
Only the one for my infringement the other day.
That's fine. Could
Yeah.
I have that?
Yeah, sure.
Just to compare the both.
Yeah?
No.
No. I think that's it. Yeah. Due to adverse weather, I put down on there.
Are you a full-time driver for this company?
I am, yeah.
Do you load and unload the vehicle, or do you wait while it's being loaded?
It depends where we go. Yeah, everywhere's different, so yeah.
But when you do load it, do you record it as other work?
Yes.
Alright, while that downloads, I'm just going to get some details from the vehicle and trailer and I'll be back in a
Yeah.
second, okay?
Okay, no worries. Sorry about the noise of the truck. So it's just that slight ABS thing with the trailer, which will go away as soon as I start moving.
Still going.
Yeah.
It will beep when it's finished. But
Yeah, that's fair
sometimes
enough.
It's hard to hear when there's all the other stuff going on.
Yeah, that's it.
It's unusual when we get them coming in, but they tend
Yeah.
to come in if they've got a load on, because
Yeah.
obviously they could come in to operate a licensing and tachographs. Thankfully, touch wood, I've never come across one where I've had to do that.
Yeah, fair enough.
What tractor's going to have that?
No, that's it. Yeah. It's always worth a try, isn't it?
Yeah, we have to ask the question.
Yeah, exactly that. Doing what you got to do.
How long have you been a driver?
Coming up to 8 years now.
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah, I enjoy it, yeah. Always makes you nervous coming in here though.
Oh, we try to kind of ease that.
Yeah,
Get it.
you try and be as good as you can, but it's,
Yeah.
you never know what happens, do you?
Nothing can be perfect though, can it? Like,
No,
if
no.
it's snow or whatever, like that's not your fault, so
No, that's it.
you've done the right thing. That's
Yeah.
what matters.
Yeah.
I can imagine. It's kind of like, almost like going to the teacher or having to do a test or something, isn't isn't it? I bet when you come in here.
Yeah, that's it. It's like, have I done everything right?
And you know you have, but you're second guessing yourself in that minute.
Yeah, so it's seeing if you remember everything that you're supposed to do and that, yeah. I try to be as good as I can. I think most people do anyway, but
That's all we ask for.
yeah, oh yeah. Oh. That's beeped. Pull it out, yeah?
Yes, thank you. And if you would check my card as well, please.
Yep, no trouble. Make sure I jack the right one. There we go.
Perfect, thank
No
you.
trouble.
I'll just go do my checks and I'll come back as quickly as I can.
Okay, no worries. Cheers, thank you. There we go. That was quite simple and straightforward. She just wanted to download my stuff. Told her about my infringement I got last week in the snow, so yeah. But we'll see what comes back with that. Yeah, sure.
The 6th of January in the afternoon.
Ah, yes.
What happened?
My batteries were knackered.
Okay.
So I got back to the yard and then my boss took over, took the truck down the workshop, changed the batteries, so they'll probably show up a power interruption as well. And then I jumped back in the truck, drove to the yard, hitched up to the trailer, and then finished for the night.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it's in relation to some driving without a card in the evening.
All right.
So there were power supply interruptions then as well, so that obviously makes sense for the
Yeah.
battery. But it's about, I think it's about 6:25 in the evening. Your card comes out at 4 hours and 30 minutes of driving.
Yeah.
Then there's 7 minutes of driving without a card that I think's been marked out of scope.
Yeah, that would be the drive from the yard to the workshop.
Right.
With the boss, yeah.
Then your card goes back in and drives for just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, that's right.
1 kilometre.
Yeah, because I was in the passenger seat, he drove down to the workshop,
Okay.
and then I drove from the workshop back to the yard. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So the only slight issue with that would be that you can't have your brake in a moving vehicle.
All right, okay.
So if you're in the passenger seat,
Yeah.
you can't be resting, really. I mean, you could be if your card was in slot 2, because you could have POA.
All right, yeah.
Like a double WAN kind of thing, that would
Yeah.
work. But yeah, that isn't ideal.
I mean, I was having my brake in the workshop while he was doing it, so I don't know whether it'll... Yeah, I suppose I should have put other work for a few minutes and then...
Yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much. Because
yeah.
like the 7 minutes of driving,
Yeah.
obviously it's only a wee bit, even if that wasn't you, I'm just saying, because that
Yeah.
often interrupts the brake, it would
Yeah.
have meant that you'd have had about 38 minutes instead of 45, so we're talking about something really small here. It's
Oh,
not
okay,
massive,
yeah.
But it's just not being correctly recorded.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
obviously-
That'll be on me then. That's fine.
So let me just double check again, just to make sure, because now I know the full story, I can obviously
Yeah,
look at the
yeah,
data properly,
yeah.
and then I'll come back to you in a moment.
Yeah, because I got in on the Monday, went to start the truck enough because I had 2 weeks off.
Oh, right.
So I
okay.
jumped it, run the day, and that night, because it was really cold,
Yeah.
I had my laptop plugged in for 10 minutes and it was nearly
Oh,
dead.
no.
So I had to have my engine running for a few hours, and then I went to bed with no night heater that night, absolutely frozen.
Yeah, and it'd be really cold.
Yeah, and I had to run the whole next day with the engine running all day, and then just crept into the yard, and then, yeah, it was...
Oh dear.
I was like, I need to get back.
Yeah, fair enough. All right,
Yeah,
the other one
no
obviously
worries.
that you gave me the printout for, that's fine.
Superb.
I mean, it was only a little bit over anyway, but you did the right thing.
Yeah, excellent.
You wrote on the back. Just make sure you sign and date it. That's the only thing.
Ah,
I know
okay
that
then.
On the front, obviously, it has the date, so
Yeah.
it's not an issue. I'm going to accept the printout, but just
Okay.
just keep yourself right. All right.
Okay, thank you very
I'll
much.
see you in a moment.
Cheers. Lovely stuff. So, yeah, obviously, I'll tell you about the story last week with the snow anyway, but I had flat batteries and I had to have the batteries changed, so she's, obviously that's come up, is a bit of a funny break and stuff. So, yeah, she's asked about that, so. Yeah, she's going to go back and double check and then we'll see what goes on from there. Oh yeah.
That's your current printout.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
All I will say, like
Yeah.
I said before, just to reiterate, in relation to the day with the maintenance contractor, obviously if you're in the passenger seat, like we said, a record would have been ideal, and whoever
All right.
was driving the vehicle should really be using a card.
Yeah,
Whereas
yeah.
Obviously it was just, well, I say just a mechanic, because it's
Yeah, yeah.
Role, but you know what I mean, they have an exemption.
Yeah, yeah.
Just bear that in mind, but obviously it is a one-off.
Yeah.
And at least you've got your battery sorted now. So.
Yeah, it is. It's so much better. So much warmer in here. Yeah.
Other than that, everything's fine.
Yeah.
I think the vehicle examiner, I don't think he's been around, but there wasn't. They couldn't see anything hanging off, so
Yeah.
you're all right. You're good to go.
Good to go, yeah.
There's a turning circle at the bottom.
Yep.
And just head back out the way you came in. All right.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. There we go. We are free to go. No problems. It's what we like. So we can now carry on with our day. Oh, that took Not very long. Half hour if that. Shut my trailer up for a minute. There we go, it's shut up. Oh yeah, turn in a circle here. Lovely stuff. Yeah, so there was just one little discrepancy of last week where I had a problem with my batteries and that, and I got back to the yard because we had to drop the trailer in the yard before the truck went to the workshop. So my boss took over and dropped the trailer for me and then drove down to the workshop. The issue was I was still in the truck, so I should have technically recorded that as other work and then had my 45-minute break because I pulled in like right on a 4.5. So yeah, that's that. But that's a story for a little bit later. Right, let's get on out of here. We're all good. They're all happy. Not bad. Can't complain. 2 reasonably light times in there, I guess. Wave to the man that waved me in. Yeah, I was literally driving past the entrance and they just waved me in, so all of you lot having to go about how much of time wasted my driving last time in the DVSA video. It was literally like not even like a mile. It wasn't even like 900 meters or whatever it was. And this time, literally it's just the drive into here and the drive back out. That's literally all the driving time I've wasted, so like literally a couple of minutes. But she was happy with everything else on my card. She was happy with everything else on the truck. It's just that one thing last week with the batteries and that. So yeah, said next time just make sure you make a record of it. I was like, yep, that's fine, no problem. So she said it's a one-off, so all good. So lovely stuff. We will get on our way, continue on our day and do what we got to do, which is literally drive somewhere and park up. So I'm happy with that. Ooh. I knew it'd be alright, so yeah, no problem at all, no problem. Right, so the DVSA, to be fair, that's my second pull and I don't have a problem with any of them. Everything's fairly straightforward. They told me any issues that were arisen, everything's been sorted, blah blah blah, all good. Whether you agree with them or not, that's your opinion. At the end of the day, the way I see it is, if everyone played by the rules and done as they were supposed to do without bending the rules or taking the mickey or just, you know, going over a little bit here and there all the time, if everyone done exactly as they were supposed to by the book, we wouldn't need them, and then we probably wouldn't be pulled over so much. But it's the fact that so many out there do take the piss and stretch the rules and just take a little bit here, take a little bit there, take a little bit here. That's the reason we need them, to keep the road safe, because there's so many people out there doing things wrong. You know, I see posts of checkpoints and that where they pulled over so many trucks, and they'll come up with like 30 trucks that have had quite big issues, and it's like, this is the reason why we need the DVSA, to keep these people in line, to keep other road users safe. Whether you agree with that or not, that's your opinion on that, that's fine. But the thing is, if everyone could be trusted to behave themselves, we wouldn't need them. But the fact is, people don't behave themselves, and that's why they are a thing. So yeah. So yeah, that was a quite straightforward stop. No issues. We're all good. So I'm happy. So yeah, take it easy, look after yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one, whenever that may be.